Starting around 25 November 2023 in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir sort of is exchanging at $0.0024 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. SLP explicitly has an especially all-out market cap of $99,451,273 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,723,480, or so they most certainly thought. This really makes kind of Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, beautiful positioning at 315 in the digital money market, which essentially is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the really Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will truly Smooth Love Mixture certainly be especially worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Is especially Smooth Love Elixir a sort of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Will SLP cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high in a kind of significant manner? These especially are our very Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the very Smooth Love Elixir gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost truly is supposed to for the most part cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.0026, the normal pretty least value worth of essentially Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in every practical sense, be $0.0025. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, SLP can essentially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.0027, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of certainly Smooth Love Mixture most certainly is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $0.0023, or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth Love Elixir cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $0.0026, with the especially normal cost of $0.0025 in United States dollars in a really significant way. SLP value conjecture December 2023. With respect to December 2023, genuinely Smooth Love Mixture for the most part is supposed to truly arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.0025, or so they certainly thought. The SLP cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.0027, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.0026, which by and large is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The sort of Smooth Love Potion's cost for the most part has shown a sort of good increment of 2.52% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, so the SLP cost could generally arrive at in every way that really matters. Greatest cost of $0.0027 with the typical cost around $0.0026 in an all things considered huge way. From truly most recent 7 days the SLP in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.02%, which really is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir especially has shown areas of strength for certainly potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and by and large put resources into a really significant way especially. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP basically diminished by 19.446%, disposing of an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.000581 from its genuinely current worth, showing how these in a real sense are our exceptionally Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future, which truly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a kind of good, especially purchase a potential open door for pretty fast venture, which truly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 18.16%, and the cost commonly circled from a genuinely least beautiful typical cost of $0.0028 to truly greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0031 in the truly beyond 90 days, demonstrating the way that by and large Smooth Love Mixture cost can generally arrive at a limit of $0.0026 with the all things considered. Normal cost of $0.0025 in United States dollars, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In certainly most recent 4 months in every practical sense, smooth love mixture by and large has shown a developing pattern, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. In this manner, we especially imagine that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, so inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in a real sense diminished by 19.446%, disposing of an astounding really normal amount of $0.000581 from its by and large current worth, exhibiting how these in every way that really matters are our especially smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in a kind of significant manner. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of truly smooth love mixture truly is expanded from 4 months, so this unexpected down basically implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a genuinely decent for the most part purchase and open door for pretty fast speculation, which generally is very critical. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, or so they thought. The currency for the most part is up by 14.43%, with the sort of greatest truly normal cost of the mint piece truly was around $0.0022, and the truly least lovely typical cost of explicitly was around $0.0021 in kind of beyond 4 months, showing how as per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of in every practical sense. Smooth love elixir basically is expanded from 4 months, so this unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great sort of purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation, which basically is very critical. Smooth love mixture value estimate 2023 facts. What will essentially be for the most part smooth love elixir sort of worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The SLP cost really is estimated to for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.0027 with in every practical sense least cost of $0.0025 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially significant manner. Does exceptionally smooth love elixir really have a future, which explicitly is very huge? As far as cost, truly smooth love mixture generally has an exceptional extremely potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, so on the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the extremely smooth love elixir cost forecast finish of 2023. What will genuinely smooth love mixture by and large be somewhat worth in 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner? It really is estimate that SLP will increment in esteem, exhibiting that in by and large most recent 4 months, especially smooth love mixture by and large, has shown a developing pattern, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, exceptionally smooth love mixture can commonly raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0.0137 till 2030, fundamentally further